little bit of an update for y'all for the swivel reels for the welding rig. Let's get to it. So I'm holding this critter up here with one hand, and with the layout I had done before with the cardboard and seeing how it would fit, this is pretty darn close to where I was holding it. I'm actually quite happy. So that's looking great. And then for it to swivel out, obviously it would be bolted down and swiveling. I'm just swiveling it this way and it's looking great. So that's where it'd be with the light. I think the light's in the view there. So anywho's, that's how it's looking. I just want to double check before it gets bolted down. I'm very happy about it. And yeah, I can't wait to get this critter bolted down. Gonna see where the best place to drill is. I'm gonna try to avoid the diamonds on the diamond plate, so that way it's easier to drill. I don't know if you've ever drilled on this before, but when you're hitting some of those diamonds, they're made to be for it to be more wear resistant, so it doesn't get all scratches, doesn't get as bad of tears in them. So diamond plate's great, but if you try and drill on the diamonds without a guide or anything, or if this were steel, you could have a magnetic mount, make it easier. But this is aluminum, so you can't do that, and it will make the bit walk. If you all drilled on metal, even on wood, the bit walking is not fun, especially if you're doing it on diamond plate. So I try to avoid the diamonds at all costs. So anywho, that's going to be the game plan, and I'll keep you all updated when I can. Hope you all enjoyed. See you all next vlog.